Hey everybody, morning. Welcome to the live streams of Global Trade Live. Today is 15th of February, and we are now live in the session over here. So let's get started. So over here, GBP USD 15-minute candle just closed with no wick on the bottom. That means maybe the 30-minute candle. Yeah, the 30-minute candle has also closed down over here with no wick on the bottom. That means there cannot be any trade. But I was expecting a sell trade over here when this candle was breaking these lows over here, so I was expecting a sell in this area, but unfortunately won't be able to make a sell trade at that point. So if I look over here in this scenario, then this is a low, okay, and if we have a candle closing below this low, then at that point we can start thinking of selling GBP/JPY. So I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, this is GBP/JPY over here. Let me just go to remove this trend line and okay, now looks good. So over here in GBP/JPY, let's just go to the weekly over here. Okay, perfect. So in the weekly time frame, GBP/JPY is moving up. So it has created a lower wick, and now it will be going up to test the previous candle's wick over here and fill this wick a little bit, and might be closing above this area to go up, or maybe reject the higher prices and maybe starts to reject this area. But yes, it will be going up now. So for me, weekly is bullish, daily is bullish as well, because the market has took this support from the same level it took before, and now today's daily candle has created a lower wick. Now it's moving up. So once it breaks the high of the previous yesterday's candle, then it will be moving up to this level for sure. And if we talk about, so daily is bullish, weekly is bullish. Now if we talk about 4-hour, then the 4-hour candle closed above this area of resistance over here, and we have this clean range to cover up in the 4-hour. And so I'm expecting the current 4-hour candle to flip up and break the high and move up to fill this wick over here. So for me, 4-hour is also bullish. And if we now talk about the 1-hour time frame over here, then the 1-hour time frame is having 1 hour is having 26 minutes left to close, right? And we have this clean range above 156.845 area. So what I'm expecting is, if I have this candle, this current 1-hour candle going up, break these highs over here, 156.880. so once the market will cross above this price over here, I'm gonna take a buy trade, and maybe the market will work for me. And if I look at this thing in 30 minutes, then 30 minute is just consolidating, right? So it created a low over here, it created a support over here, created a resistance over here. So but I have to take this resistance over here because it's just like somewhere around equal over here. So, and if I talk about support, then why I'm looking at this thing over here. So this is okay, we don't need this one. Okay, so if I shift this area to this level, yeah, so now the market has created this support, and we have this clean candle to go. So if I have a candle closing below this area, then I think I can take a sell trade in GBP/JPY. But for that I need to wait for a candle to close below this area. So right now, there's nothing happening in GBP/JPY. Oh, look over here. So GBP USD. Let me just go to 15 minutes. GBP USD is kind of bearish. Oh, look here. So this candle broke the low. That means this becomes the POI. Let's go to 30 minutes. 30 minutes is having 23 minutes left to close, I think. Then we have this 15 minutes over here. Daily. Oh, daily looks. I don't know. Daily looks bullish to me for now. This is the 4 hour. This is 1 hour over here. Actually, you know what? The market is creating higher highs and higher lows, so I think in the 1 hour this candle might reject in the last few minutes. So we need to be very, very careful in this case. GBP, I'm also gonna wait for GBP JPY 30-minute candle to close over here. So this is gold. Let's have a look at the gold as well. If we talk about gold, then I think sells should be below this area. And let's check the trend of gold. Oh, so market just went up, created resistance, came straight back down. There was a support over here. Previous candle respected the support. Now the current candle is just went down with no wick on the top. That means high selling pressure in the market. So with volume, this candle can break the low and continue moving down, fill this clean range. Let's have a look at the weekly. Weekly is rejecting this area over here, and this is a very, very strong area, so weekly can push down from there. Okay, let's check daily as well. Daily is coming down, but there is a support over here in the daily, so cannot say anything right now. GBP USD is just ranging, nothing at all. Yeah, but GBP JPY is in a good buy trend. Hey, happiness fruits, how are you? Yeah, now I think GBP JPY will move up to fill this clean move. The range is very good. The range is really awesome. It's just that we need volume to push the price up through the clean range. So I'm gonna check GBP USD over here. If it goes down and break this price, buddy, I haven't seen the gold yet. I mean, yeah, I have saw that move, but I haven't took that trade. This move over here, maybe. You know, there was a extremely good entry on gold in the 1 minute time frame, and if I was looking at the charts at that time, I would have definitely took that, because that entry was based on the POI analysis. This could be that trade over here. When the market broke this low over here in the 1 minute, and at that point of time, this become the POI of gold. So when this candle closed below this area and it went up in this region over here, there could be a possible entry, and the stops would have been just around 12 pips, right? And this was the move after that. So waiting for this area to be broken over here, because now gold is in a extremely good bearish trend. So I really think that we will be getting more chances of getting into a trade in gold. So that's what exactly I'm looking for over here. I need the market to break this area over here or this area over here in the 1 minute. So once that happens, I'm gonna look for buys and sells according to that. And look over here. So 30-minute time frame, GBP is pushing the price down. 15-minute candle is about to close over here, but the problem is there is a rejection zone from the left, so we need to be very careful. But yes, this candle is about to close all these candles. Oh, but the range is pretty good, really good range. So I think I should look for sells over here. Sells in GP means 1 hour pushing down, 4 hour pushing down, we can head, getting a head and shoulder pullback to 1865. Yeah, maybe. One minute. Okay, so now if I'm looking for sells in GBP JPY 15 minutes, let me just mark the areas over here. So the candle closed below all the previous candles bodies, and now this candle has went up. Let me just go to 1 minute, right? So over here, actually this is a strong POI area. Oh, gold just broke over here. Nice. Gold broke this area. Let me just mark the POI. Very nice. Now this becomes the POI. So if the market enters this POI, I'm gonna sell over here. GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD also. What just happened? Oh, look here. GBP USD went into this POI and then dropped down from there. Missed this one, but it's okay. Wasn't really looking for sells. GBP JPY also trying to, go up. This 15-minute candle is look here. This was the POI power over here. So JPY 15-minute candle is now going down, but I'm gonna wait. Because I need candles to go in this POI. So let's see if gold enters this POI again or not. Let's just check the candle. Very strong. This could be a 2 pips 1.8 or 2 pip of stop loss, and right now it just went down like 8 pips. GBP JPY again moving up. $10 left for the current 15-minute candle to close, and if this candle really wants to go down, then I just want a 1-minute candle to tap this POI area. Oh, look here, gold is dropping down. Nothing we can do over here. Because by looking at this 30-minute time frame over here, I still think that this 30-minute candle can just reject this area and move up from here. So I'm gonna wait for 9 more minutes. Created another level over here. So now two things can happen. Number one is that it will go down, break this level, create another POI zone, or it will go up, test this zone, and then drop down from there. Look here, GBP/USD down, straight drop, 12 pips. So in 2 minutes this candle will be closing, and I think need to wait over here for 2 minutes. Look here, gold is going up to tap this area. This is around, let me just check, this is around like 5 pips of range is there. So once a candle will tap this region, I'm going to take a sell trade in this area, and stops will be around like 4 pips. This is around 30 pips of TP, but need to look how this looks like in 30 minutes. Looks good. Oh, gold, GBP JPY just went down from there. GBP USD also dropped. Okay. But it's still fine. It's still fine. Because the thing is, in the last 2 minutes, we really cannot expect a trade, right? So a 1 minute candle, let's see. This will be closing like this. Next candle should just go down, like fill the wick and move down from here. So I'm gonna place a sell stop in this area, 1853.407. Anytime it will just go inside that area. GBP broke the low over here, and it's pushing down with heavy volume. But it broke the low in the first few seconds, so need to wait for a little bit more. Look here, gold just tapped in and went down from here, but missed this one. So look here, about 17 pips is coming. So if it goes inside that area again, I'm gonna enter this trade over here. I missed this one because all these things are happening so fast that it's really difficult to, nothing in GBP/USD. This could be really a nice trade. I'm ready to take sells on gold again. So this is the plan over here. So if the market goes up, tap this area, I'm gonna enter a sell trade, and my stops will be above this high over here, like 5 pips. But I only take this trade once I enter this price. Otherwise, I'm gonna just wait. GBP JPY moving up again inside the region. GBP USD is tapping this area. Maybe it will go up again. Let's see. According to me, gold should be going up to this level, I think, because this kind of a thing is just a spring on the market. So it should go up to this price over here at least. Still got 1 hour 45 minutes left to close. Let's see how this and where this 30-minute candle will be closing in GJ, because the 15-minute candle closed back inside the range, and that means this becomes a fake out, right? So 15 minutes is not that much reliable, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just wait for this 30-minute candle to be closed over here. So if that happens, so maybe if it closes above this area, then it will be going up, and but if it closes below this area, like with the rejection, then the next candle can move down from here. Yeah, I really think gold will be moving down as well, because we have this clean range, huge range over here below this wick. The range is all about like 88 pips. And look here, it just tapped over here, went down in like 25 pips straight in 3 minutes. After that went up again, but it didn't cross above that level. Now it's moving down again from that level. But if it goes back to this level, then that will be a really nice thing. Otherwise I have to wait for the break of this level and then, you know, grab another opportunity from gold. So oh, look over here, it's just moving down with volume now. So if this candle over here breaks the low, stops will be really big. Cannot take this trade, I have to wait. Look here, just went down. This was something I was waiting in gold. I have definitely took this trade on when this candle just tapped this, like 33 pips. Anyways, nothing in GU, nothing in GJ, just volume is there and just gold over here. We'll wait for a nice entry in gold. Now what I think is, if this candle closes below this area, I think which it will, it just closed below this area, right? Now I will wait for gold to move inside this area. Yes, I'm gonna wait for gold to enter inside this area, and this range is about 6 pips. Oh, look here. It just broke the low and now it just went up, right? The way the gold always moves, right? Nothing new. So once this candle enters this area over here, let me just, okay, this price over here, I'm gonna keep my stops above the high over here, which is around 5 pips, and I'm gonna wait for the market to drop down, because that will be the continuation in the 30-minute candle as well. So just need to wait for the market to enter this area. Bro, caught gold in London? No, brother. I only trade NY, so. Okay, get ready. Oh, come on, man. Now this becomes my new low. Let's see if it goes up or if it just breaks the low. It just broke the low. Let's see. Oh, look here. What the fuck? It just went down like 40 pips. Anyways, so this becomes our new POI. We'll wait for the market to enter this POI. That was a extremely fast move over here. Look here, I missed the trade over here, right? And if I could have just got this trade, then this would have been around 86 pips of move at this point. See, you might not be getting so many opportunities when you trade like this, but when you get a opportunity and you enter at the right time, like over here, if I would have entered over here, I was looking at GJ at that time. So if I would have entered over here, the market just went all the way down. Again, I think again it will be going up to this level and it will be, flipping back down from there. If that happens, then I will be having around 60 pips. Well, I need to look at the 30 minutes. Yeah, still got some room to go over here, so yes. Candle will be closing in 5 minutes. That means 5 1 minute candle will be there. So I think if next candle goes straight up and rejects this area and flips back down, then the next few candles can go all the way down again. Yes. Yeah, I think it can move up a little bit to this level, and then it will come down and close down over here. Yeah. GJ about to close in 3 minutes. Now this becomes our new low. Last seconds remaining. It's about to tap our area. Minute candle closed over here. Closed with a rejection. GP JPY closed inside the range again. Nothing. GPUSD closed over here, and there's no range over here, so nothing. Gold waiting for a candle to tap this area, so nothing over here as well. Okay, so it's pushing up again. Let's see if we can get this one. Hmm. Just took a sell trade over here. Trade is running in 6 pips, guys. $7.2. So we'll close half once it goes to break even. Eight point five, 8.6, 9.2, 10 pips over here, close 50% at this point. Congratulations everybody who just made some profits in this trade. Finally got some trade over here. Running in 13 pips right now. 50% I have closed. Let's see if it goes all the way down over here or not. So if it goes all the way down, then this would be like 60 pips of TP over here. Running in 14 pips right now. Look over here. This is running over here. So I'm not going to keep my stops at break even for now. What I'm gonna, because the market can go up to test this area again, so that's why. So but what I'm gonna do is, once the market goes up to break even again, I'm gonna close 50%. I'm gonna manage my risk, but there is volume in the market, so maybe it will just go all the way down from here. I'm gonna look at the 30 minutes. Yeah, now this candle is going down, so this candle might fill this whole wick over here. So if that will be the case, then I'm gonna get my desired amount of pips. Let's see. 7. See, the market just tapped this area and went straight down from there. So the thing is, if the market breaks down to this price, then it will be definitely going down. So to go down, it has to break down this price over here. But another thing is, if it starts to move up, then we have to manage some risk. One hour candle is flipping all the way up. So I'm shifting my stops at high of this over here. So now if it goes up, hits my stop loss, even that I'm not gonna lose that much. But if it starts to drop all the way down from here, then yes, I'm gonna get extremely good amount of pips. It's just that it might take some time, like maybe a few minutes to go, but once it grabs volume again, it will be definitely go down and fill this whole clean wick to the left. So after so long, I took this trade in gold. $15-minute candle closed over here, and we have this clean range. So if this 15-minute candle goes down from here, broke this low 1848.321, this area, then yes, it will be pushing the price all the way down. Running in 15 pips now. closed 50% over here. Actually, I have closed everything at this point. Yeah, so I have closed everything over here at this point, because the market is going up to fill this wick. Yeah, now 30-minute candle is flipping up. 15-minute candle also pushing up. It's like it can go up to this level maybe. So if that's the case, then it will be going up, and that will not be a good thing. Let's see what happens. So there was a support creation over here. 7 minutes left for this candle to close. What I'm now thinking is, now this is really interesting. I think this 15-minute candle will be closing like bullish, and then there will be a next candle which will wick up and break this low over here and continue to move down to fill this wick. So if that will be the case, then this 15-minute candle can go all the way up to tap this area, like something like that. So I think we should wait for this 15-minute candle to close, and then we should wait for some confirmation on the 1 minute time frame, which will tell us that yes, now the market is going to go down. So something like that. 6 minutes left, right? So if this candle closes like wick rejection, let's see how this candle closes. Oh, look over here. Went all the way up. Was a nice decision over here to close this trade. Yes, I was right. 7 seconds remaining for this candle to close. Let's see where this candle will be closing. Oh, look over here. It's just not stopping. This candle closed above this high, right? So now there's a chance that it will go up and then create some sort of thing, and after that it will move down. So we don't need this one now. We don't need this one as well. This is a low. Let's keep it like that. Now let's go to 15 minutes, and now let's just wait. So this is a new high over here. So to go up, market should tap this area and then go up. And obviously we are waiting for the 15-minute candle to close as well. But yes, there's one thing that if we have a candle closing below this POI, then we need to wait for selling confirmations, and that confirmation will be below this area. This is a BOS, so we need a candle to break below this BOS, then go up to test that area, and then go down. So that will be the thing for me. So let's see how the 15-minute will be closing. After that, I'm gonna decide what I should do. There's nothing in GBP/JPY right now. GBP USD is pointing downwards. This for a candle is reversing back. Daily is giving a huge wick over here. Oh, okay. GBP USD is about to flip down. Yes, GBP USD will be flipping down. And look over here, it tested this POI again and again, but it failed to break above. Okay, so let's just go back to gold. Still got 2 minutes left. Okay. So what was happening over here is this was the low. Okay, so this is the new POI over here. So first of all, market should go up to this level to test the POI and then go down from there. If that will be the case, then let's have a look at GBP USD in 30 minutes. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for the market to go in this POI and then go down. So if it really wants to go down, then the next candle should go up to test that area. That area is in 1.35476. 476 is this area over here. That means we are talking that